Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make money on LinkedIn even if you're just starting out. LinkedIn isn't just for job hunting anymore, it's a powerful platform for income if you use it the right way. Let's get started. Step 1. Optimize your profile. First, make sure your profile is optimized. Use a professional profile photo, write a clear headline that explains what you do or what problem you solve, and create a short summary that highlights your skills, experience, and value. Your profile should look like a landing page, not just a resume. Step 2. Choose a money-making path. Next, decide how you want to make money on LinkedIn. Some popular options include freelancing, consulting, selling services, affiliate marketing, content creation, or promoting your own products or courses. Pick one main focus so your audience understands what you offer. Step 3. Build the right network. Start connecting with people in your industry or niche. Send personalized connection requests and engage with their posts. The goal is to build real relationships, not just collect connections. Step 4. Post valuable content. Consistency is key. Share useful content like tips, short stories, case studies, or lessons from your experience. Valuable content builds trust, and trust leads to opportunities and sales. Step 5. Use DMs the right way. Once relationships are built, you can use direct messages to start conversations. Don't spam. Focus on helping first, then introduce your service or offer naturally when it makes sense. Step 6. Turn attention into income. Finally, direct people to a call, portfolio, website, or payment platform. The more visible and helpful you are, the easier it becomes to turn LinkedIn attention into real income. That's how you make money on LinkedIn, step by step. If this video helped, like it, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to earn online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.